In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Afterpay at Gamestop. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as of today, if you look for GameStop on the US version of Afterpay, you will notice that the actual store will not pop up. As you can see, while we can't browse through GameStop directly and go to the checkout using Afterpay, we can buy GameStop gift cards. This might not be the case for other regions, for example, Australia, United Kingdom, etc. But for this video, on the United States version of Afterpay, only gift cards are available. So instead of going through the checkout at the GameStop website, look for GameStop gift cards inside of Afterpay and you will be able to buy gift cards. Select the amount that you want and you will be able to make your payment using Afterpay. Besides the method of getting the gift cards into your GameStop account, you will not be able to go through the checkout using Afterpay. So you will need to buy the gift cards if you want to buy something on GameStop using Afterpay. In order to redeem the gift cards that you got from GameStop, all you have to do is proceed through checkout, and during checkout you will have the option to include the gift card number and card pin in order to cut the value from your GameStop purchase. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Afterpay on GameStop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.